What's up, you guys? It's me, Apple and Bananas, and it's been a really long time since I made a video. It's been about 4 months, and came up with new ideas that I'm going to be posting up in the futures. There's nothing, this is all free, nothing payable, and let's get this started. This could work on Apple and Microsoft, so you go to the website called Pixlr.com. Once it take you there, Pixlr.com. Once it take you there, it will take you this person that's taking a camera view. It looks all cool and everything like that. Go to this button that says Open Pixlr Editor. Click on it, and it will take you to, well, not exactly here. Oh, you gotta wait for this loading, but it will say something enable flash something. It will tell you if you want to enable allow once or allow every single time, and I would prefer it to allow every single time, so you might be using this for every YouTube video to make your thumbnail. And for Apple, you gotta download this Flash and agree the rules, and then it'll take a few minutes for you guys to do this, but you guys will get the hang of it. And now it will take you to Pixlr Editor, where it has a butterfly and a pencil. Which we're gonna do next is create a new image. Click on it. You can name it anything like that. Your preset is gonna be a movie 720p. That's how the thumbnail is gonna be, the width and the height. And have a check to transparent and click OK. Maximize it if you guys want to, but I prefer to maximize it. Now the next part is we're gonna look for an image. So I prefer a colorful games. It keeps the background beautiful, and it has a really good background image. I really love this one, but it's so colorful and everything like that. It doesn't matter if it's like 1080p or 440. You're gonna make it blurry, because you're not gonna see like Mario. So yeah, save image as, and then you save it to wherever you guys want it to. Once you did that, go back to Pixlr Editor, go to layer, right here, the section open image as a layer, and then I'm gonna go to recent, because that's where I can find my picture, and then look for the picture that you just really want to add for your thumbnail. Once you found it, you click the button so it lets you upload the image to the editor. Now you see the image looks kind of messed up, doesn't look like kind of 4K image. Now the next part we're gonna do, go to the filter section and then go to Gaussian blur. Once you found it, try to make it not too blurry, but kind of blurry, like about 60 is good enough for me. It's your amount. If you get, it's your decision. I'm gonna prefer it 60, just it can kind of blur it, and then click OK. Or if you guys messed up something, you can click the edit section and undo it, and it'll fix it back. Go to adjustment. There's a lot of cool kind of filter things, guys. Like if you guys want noise, it kind of makes it kind of TV or something. I don't like how it looks, so I'm not picking that. There's a lot more things which you guys can try it on your own. I'm gonna add one detail to my background, and I'm gonna go to adjustment section, and I'm gonna click solarize. It makes like a different color, like it's like you're both colorblind, but it adds a little cool color effect, I guess. But once you just did that, now go to layer section, make a new layer, and go to the drawing tools section, which is right here, which has a circle and a rectangle. Have the color black, fill shape, everything it has the default setting pretty much. So, and then put these rectangles to the edge, not too big, but a little thin enough. If you guys want to add these, it's your option, but you go to filter, Gaussian blur, and then maximum it, and then it adds this cool black shaded Now, the next part we're going to be going to is the text tool. Before I type, this website doesn't have really good fonts, so we're going to go to dafont.com. I'll put a link down below my description. And it has these awesome, cool fonts. They're really cool. Is if you guys like these, find the easiest ones, download it. I like the marker notes. Never got it. Never seen it before. Marker notes. It's gonna be the same thing as to Microsoft too. You guys can download this. Once you guys double click on it, it will take you this marker notes until it will get, like, has an ABC alphabet and numbers, and it will say install fonts. Click on that and you just gotta wait for it. I have these other fonts I have installed: the Arial, Lemon Milk, Markers Notes, Never Ending free version, and Splash. These are really awesome fonts that I found in dafont.com, and that website's really useful for any kind of fonts you guys like. So once you installed it to it, you go back to the Pixlr website. Once you're at the type tool right here that has the alphabet A, you click anywhere in the screen and then type the words you guys want to make for your videos, like how to try Pixlr Pro for free. It's kind of like a random thing I just said. I'm gonna add a little bit kind of a cool design for me. So I'm gonna start off how to, and you could change the color. I don't like black and it's kind of hard for me to see, so I'm gonna change the color. It will have everything black. You move the circle to here, and then you could have any kind of color. I'm looking for the perfect color for myself. This is like a cool purplish color. Make the size a little bit bigger so people can see. Oh wait, you can't see it because of the background, so I'm gonna change it. The font you downloaded, it will be in alphabets. Arial is a cool font I just installed, and I like it how it's the first alphabet, so it's easy for me to find. Found the font you want to use, you put at the right place here you guys wanted to have it at. So once you found it, you click OK. We're gonna add a little detail to it, so we're gonna go to the new layer section right here, right click it. Usually whenever you click this section right here, right click it, it will say layer sections. Go to layer styles. We're gonna do a drop shadow, have the opticity to 100, should have a check mark. Outer glow to the size 23, and the hardness to 10, and make this black, and it makes like a cool outline to your word. We're gonna make this a little bit big to make kind of a cool design. Change the color. We're gonna make this blue this time, and I have this this font named Lemon Milk that I have it installed. Found Lemon Milk, there it is. Once you found the font you want to use and then the size and the color, you click OK. Same thing. Layer styles. Go to section layer. Drop shadow. Opacity is 100. Outer glow is size 23. Hardness 10, and then the color black. You guys can have it any kind of color. It's just I prefer it black. It has like a cool effect to it. And then how to make thumbnails. Let's put it at the right spot. Make this a little bit smaller. Now that's perfect. Change the size, change the color. Now once you do the same thing, I have this font called Nevermore. Now once you made a design to your thumbnail, I'm gonna add one thing, put an image as a layer, and look for the one you want to find, which is this one. Now it's pretty small for me. We're gonna go to this mouse tool so you can move this logo. Once you upload the image, you see the logo, you could kind of see it, but if you guys move the logo all the way down, you see how it goes behind the word. Free transform it to make it a little bit bigger, and there we go. That's all I got to show you guys how to make thumbnails. And if you guys wonder how you save it, you guys go to File, Save, and make the quality to 100, and it tells you the size, 648 kilobyte. Click OK, and it'll tell you where to save it as, which I don't need this image because I got another image that I like. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Get me 4 likes and I'll make another video in Pixlr.com.